So stretchy and cute. Perfect for tennis and sports, or even like in the office, because it's not a super short tennis skirt. But this one is nice and long, and it's got this little like flare at the bottom. Oh, I love it. This was sent to review from Pinspark. It's got biker shorts built in with the pocket for your tennis ball or your phone or whatever. Then that goes down, and then on the outside, you've got zippered pockets. So convenient, and when they zipper, they're basically hidden, like you don't even see it. Flat panel all around. I love this wide band because it doesn't give you the muffin top. It's really stretchy, so you can tuck something in like this. This is a 2-pack of Zeagoo wide strap tank tops. And this is it tucked in. It is ruched. I love that. So this is the tucked in look. Very cute. But then you can also, of course, wear it out. Just so cute. Oh my gosh, and so comfortable. And then this is the 2-pack, remember. This is the second one in the 2-pack I got. So beautiful. And when we're talking capsule wardrobe, they both go with this. Hello. I love that wide strap because you don't have to worry about your bra peeking out. It also has more coverage regarding sun. And in here, very modest over the neck, protecting from sun. These are not UPF, but although the tennis skirt is. But the shirts are not, but just general coverage, you know, very high neck, decent arms as far as they're not like gaping, they're not showing your bra, and they're not cutting in too much here to get super sweaty, but a little bit. The 2-pack comes in a bunch of color options, so you can just get whatever you're in need of.